What's up, YouTubers? My name is Brendan. This is Super Nerd Hobbyist, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your very own stencils that can make cool shirts like this. Let's get to it. So, to get started, these are the models I'm going to be 3D printing. I have two Gengars. One's a little bit bigger. The other one's a little bit smaller. I just really love Gengar, and I thought it'd look cool having a bigger one and a smaller one. This one's slightly different because it has this little detail down there in between his legs. This one's pretty much the same thing. And then we have a wanted Luffy poster from One Piece. I don't watch the anime that much, but I do know it is really popular, and I thought this looked really neat, so I wanted to print that as well. And I'm gonna print these and probably put them on t-shirts, so we're gonna see how long this takes, and I'm not using any supports because these are completely flat. So let's see. So first Gengar is going to be about an hour and 25 minutes. Only has about 10 layers. So that's going to build it. Second Gengar, about an hour and 24 minutes. It's a little bit thicker, has 24 layers. It's going to print just like this. And then finally, the wanted Luffy poster. Monkey D. Luffy. This one's going to be about 2 hours and 21 minutes. And it's 10 layers long. It's going to print just like this. Alright. So we're going to print this out and get to it. So these are the stencils I printed out. I got a big Gengar, a smaller Gengar, and Luffy from One Piece. And I'm going to show you what it looks like on a t-shirt. I'm going to start with the big Gengar first. And you want to make sure when you put down your t-shirt that's completely flat, you place it exactly where you want it. This is just a spare t-shirt I had, so I'm just put it anywhere. And you want to make sure when you put down the stencil, you kind of want to keep it in place. Some people like putting tape on the outside, but I'm going to airbrush the inside and outside, so I can't have nothing sticking out there. So what I did was folded some tape, put it on the other side where it's not showing. That way I could just stick it down, press down, and it should stay without lifting up that much. So that should stay and should be pretty good. And we're going to start with that one. We're going to do the big Gengar first. I'm probably just going to do regular black. I'll just use this regular black right here and just spray all these lines, the insides and out, to create that effect of Gengar is sitting there branching out all these ghost things. Okay, let's get started. Now to take this off and see how it turned out. Oh, that looks sick. I love that. I did not know it was going to come out that well. That looks cool. Absolutely love that. Now, the next one we're probably going to do Luffy's wanted poster. But when we do this one again in the smaller version, I want to do this in purple because I think that would look insane. That looks really, really cool. I love that. Okay, we got another shirt. And we got Luffy's poster. Now, I don't have any space to really put tape on this, so I'll just have to hold it down as much as I can and carefully go over the lines. This might take me a while because this is pretty big. So, let's get started. Alright, now it's done. Now it's time to see what it looks like. And let me know down in the comments if I put this the right way or backwards. So as far as I remember, I think it goes this way. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. That looks cool. I love that. Looks like a negative picture of him. That's pretty cool. Wow. That is insane. Alright. Now, last but not least, our next project is going to be the small Gengar. And I think I'm going to use this violet collar for this Gengar. Let's see how well it turns out in the next one. Alright. Okay, for this last one, I'm going to do a little differently. I'm going to use 3 different collars. I'm going to use this violet collar to go around his body on the edge to outline his body. And I'm going to use this fluorescent purple and this regular purple collar and do the outside like that. So I'll have the regular purple because it's darker, more or less do the outline of all of his little energy stuff around here. And then I'm going to use that fluorescent purple to kind of give it a glow. And I'll do the same thing with the eyes. I'll use regular purple for the eyes and mouth. And then probably highlight the center of it with that fluorescent purple to give it that glow effect. So we're just going to try a couple things and see how well it looks. It might look crappy, it might look really good, we don't know. Let's get to it. Alright, now, since we're done, time to see what this looks like. I hope that it looks really good. I even wrote Gengar's name in there just for fun. So, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that looks cool. I actually kind of like that. Kind of see Gengar and then his energy goes out. I don't know. Maybe that would look better reversed with just this dark color on the outside and then all this light color on the inside. I'm not sure. But I think it still looks really good, so here we go. So these are everything I just did. Here's your Luffy stencil and what it looks like on a shirt. You got small Gengar that painted the purple colors. Look really well. And then finally our big Gengar and that on a shirt. So there's all the stencil stuff I did this time. So thank you guys for watching my video. Hopefully you really liked it. I do want to do more projects like this in the future, especially stencils that look like this. I want to do more. I want to actually make t-shirts that have stuff like this on it. So please let me know down in the comments below if you want me to do more projects like this. I really love the whole anime thing. Like, I'm not a big fan of One Piece. I haven't really watched it, so I can't really say if I like it or not. But I did love making that into a stencil and painting it. So, and I absolutely love Gengar. He's one of my favorite Pokemon. So I really did enjoy it. So please like, share, subscribe, and follow for more content. Like I said before, if you guys like my content, please let me know down below to do more stuff like this. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.